Hi, I'm Tarah Venn, registered dietitian, and I am all about translating the nutrition science into easy to apply daily actions. So today we're going to be making 3 different salads that are not only nutrient dense, but also not boring. The first one is a crunchy lentil salad. Lentils are probably one of the more underrated plant-based proteins. They're packed full of fiber, folate, and iron. The next salad is a Lemony Lebanese salad, which of course has vitamin C because of the citrus, but also has kidney beans, which are a heart-healthy food. And finally, we'll be doing a smoked salmon and avocado salad with dill and a citrus dressing. That one is full of healthy omega-3 fats. So let's go ahead and get started. Before I dive in and start cooking, I wanted to mention there will be recipe cards at the end of the video, so don't worry about writing down all of the ingredients. All right, here we are in my kitchen, and I am getting ready to make the lentil salad. So I have rinsed and drained my lentils, and I am simmering some water on the stove. So once that's nice and hot and simmering, I will go ahead and add some bay leaves and some garlic. Okay, bay leaf is going in. Add in the garlic. Okay, I'm gonna need to use 2 hands for that. And then I'll add the lentils. Okay, I've got my lentils simmering with a bay leaf and some garlic. While this is going, I'm gonna work on prepping my veggies. So I'm just gonna throw together the dressing. So that's a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a pinch of cumin, some salt and pepper to taste, and then that red wine vinegar, about 3 tablespoons of that. I have transferred my cooked lentils to a bowl. I'm just gonna pour the dressing on, mix it together, and then I'm gonna let it come to room temperature before I put my other ingredients together and put my salad all together. My lentils are cooling, and while I let that happen, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the next salad, which is the Lemony Lebanese salad. The first step for that is to go ahead and just rinse and drain the beans that go in the salad. So I'm gonna rinse and drain 1 can of garbanzo beans and 1 can of red kidney beans. We are ready for the very last step of the lentil salad, which is just putting it all together. So I'm gonna make 1 for me to eat now and some to save for later. My beans are rinsed and drained, so I will go ahead and chop up my veggies. I'm gonna put them in a big bowl with the beans, make my dressing, and then combine it all. The dressing is going to be the juice of about 1 lemon and 1/4 cup of olive oil, plus a little salt and pepper, some fresh garlic, and you could also add red pepper flakes if you want a little bit of spice. Here are all of the ingredients for the Lebanese salad in a large bowl, including the dill on top, which I forgot to show you earlier. I'm just going to add the dressing and then mix it all together, and then it will be all done. I'll be able to disperse it into different containers and enjoy it as the week goes by. I am going to be starting the final salad for today, the salmon and avocado salad with arugula and citrus dressing. So the first thing I'll do is just make the dressing, and then I'll put everything together, and that is it. I finished cutting my oranges, and I drained the juice that came from doing that into this mixture. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of olive oil and just a dash of salt from the salt shaker. Just gonna mix that up, and that will be my dressing for this salad, and it smells amazing. So I have all my ingredients ready to go. I have salmon, my orange cut up, my avocado, fresh dill. I'm going to be placing some arugula into this bowl here, and then topping it with the dressing that I made. All right, salads are done. They're all packed away, ready to be enjoyed in the future. And all in all, it took me about a little over an hour to put everything together, so not too shabby. I'm gonna post the recipe cards now, so get ready to screen shoot. Okay, here they are. I hope you found these recipes to be inspiring, and thank you for joining me in my kitchen today.